So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Cut Professional. So today we again going to be discuss about flexible round layer haircut, which is called already mentioned for in the thumbnail, round layers for silky hair, which is ultimate things for which is we are launching of something like in end of the day will be see that everything how was we did it with complete of the haircuts, and each and everything will be seen by step, and the haircut sectionings and elevations and all the things you will be going to be seen. Everything is very clear detailedly, so do watch till the end. You will comes to know exactly however we did it a haircut. You will comes to know each and every techniques and all. If you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because every time I brings with a new concept after the haircut and content which should be remain something like similar contents, but every time will we get new techniques of the haircuts and different kind of hair texture, and one of the best challenges ever seen the haircut site like this. So I would like to request all of you, if you're really new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, do like this video and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because every time I brings with a new content with you for a get update and more. And if you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So all the section got separate help up through the comb balls I'm explaining, so that you can just see with complete of the sections how we taken. And finally we start with a one length basic from now. After one length basic we're going to be start with exactly elevation how we did it with each and every section. You're going to be seen step by step. So ensure whenever you see in the kind of videos and any doubts or any queries or any questions, if you can get, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll clarify your doubts. And we are launching with offline classes as well. For that regarding, if you want to get enquiries, description there is mentioned the contact number. Get the number and contact us for more details. So one line basics always carry forward, which can be retained to create the layers top of that and without reducing the length. That is previously we just creating the content such a concepts each and every time, something like signature haircuts. So that can be, it's never going to be collapse the length and top of the length. It will be create the layers to top to bottom. Each and everything is got connected and looks so professional and very even official as well. So that is our concept, which can be create the layers. So finally we pick the center profile and exactly just elevating towards the round layers occipital bone to the ground like 120 degree. So after that next section, the section should be thin sections we just pick, and we carrying forward like a previous guideline, and each and every guidelines is carry forward thin sections. So that will be make something like proper finishing of the haircut, and it looks more finishing and really good finishing at all. End of the day you will be see the haircut which looks like very flexible, and finishing will become more bouncy at all. So ensure whenever you do the haircut with especially round layer cut or any other haircuts, you can just do the elevations. Ensure pick from thin sections and add the layers step by step accordingly, and please elevation the same direction each and every time. That will be make so perfection of the layers, and it will be small step. It will really incredible results will be get end of the day. That will be makes massive changes on the haircut, and that will be looks changes with every time. That can be comes like signature haircuts of your specific. So that will be makes more ethical works which can be done with the round layers or butterfly layers or bottom layer haircut. May anything up to the haircuts you can just takes. So each and every time consistently following these techniques which can be create the massive results, and that will be made really good results end of the day. So after that I just come to the another side, the stationary guideline. Already one section is done, another section just with taking and just elevating as and the previous sides already cross checked, and another side also we're just going to be step by step carrying forward thin section and elevating with the previous guidelines, and keep going on to the layering. So this side section also has got finished, and finally we are cross checking. So after that, I just another side it's bulky hair, I'm just merging because one side is got shortened and other side is slightly longer. Just I'm merging with evenly. Why? Because the end of the day both the side section is split on, and it will become haircut will be imbalanced. Ensure after haircut done you must cross check each and every time. Why? Because the haircut should be carry forward even sections all the sides. So that will be tensions which can be even tension which can be make something pretty good finishing on the layers, and the cut will be carry forward clean and neat and even finishing it all. After that I come to the side sections. Before going to be layering, I'm just giving to the one length basic. The thin section I'm picked and merging in the layers. After that I'm cross checking. And finally I'll come to another side portion. The same thing we're carrying forward and giving to the one length basic before add the layers. And after that I'm picked from the stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair carrying forward as merging in the layers. The thin section step by step I'm carrying forward. After that also I'm cross checking. So finally we come to that big harsu sections, crown portions, and both the sections I'm just going to be release. Pick from the center profile and taking as guideline exactly center of the crown, and rest of the hair merging in the layers of exactly 90 degree, and center of the crown, rest of the all the sides hair and just overlapping exactly in the center of the crown. Why? Because something more add more bouncier, as I told mentionedly with this layers is come pretty more layer bouncier. So in that regarding purpose I'm just merging in the all the layers in center portion of the crown, so which can be length will remain, and also it's converting more bouncy layers, so that will be look more voluminous and more bouncier as well. And after that I'm cross checking. So finally I'll come to same thing in another side, exactly all the hair I'm just picking center of the crown and merging in rest of the hair which is come on the under of the layers. After that section also I'm cross checking. So finally we are coming for like fringe sections. So before the tangle part, I'm just cutting it axis 1, and after that I'm just going to be merging in as a curtain banks up to the long fringe layers. So fringe, the cut almost got finished. I'm cross checking all the sections, and this will be cut got finish. And just before styling, I'm showing her with the messy layers how it will be looks and all. In that messy layer, it seems it will without styling, its layers was looking what amazing bouncy look, and it comes out more proper finishings, and she was looking pretty much as good in that messy layers. So she was very much happy in the after the cut without styling either. And after that I'm just showing her to the ponytail as well, how much length will be remains, and after the pony how it will be look like, and each and everything I'm showing up the both the sides. So finally I got started with a blow dry. The blow dry, which is continuously be doing with spiral blow dry, which can be makes more bouncer hair, and all in one back section is two section. I'm just going to be finished because the hair is silky straight, and I don't want to be give much more heat on the hair. So it's less heat, it will be makes more styling, and it will be mixed to the whole towards and molding, and it's creating top of the surface content which can be retain and carry forward on the styling part. So it should not give too much of heat, and excess of the heat it will be unnecessarily which can be damaged more on the hair. Ensure it will sufficiently give a heat with according which how much the styling it requires. So rest of the hair it let it keeps, which can be naturally looks good too, that it will be makes more bouncer and finishing and safer side as well. And after that I come to the side portion. The same thing I'm going to carry forward. After that I come to another side. That crown portion I'm just blowing up. And finally I'll come to the fringe portion. So adding more volume. The last section. After that I'm just going to be released. This is a complete of the finishing after the round layer haircut, which means it looks clean and finishing it's much more better than before, and the haircut is comes completely voluminous, and each and every point it will top to bottom connected and looking so more bouncier, and the layer shaking out is completely flexibly out of the layers. It will become like outlets. The blow dry which is given to the out curl blow dry, it's looking so clean and neat finishing, and the layers was visible very flexible, and it becomes like completely connected and neat and clean finishing. See it from the back, and after that I'm just showing her in the front. It looks so pretty uniform and it's looking so amazing. End of the day, the styling is nothing there carried any artificial look, and the roots and crown area, it's pretty much bouncier, and the volume is more and more, it's showing up to pretty more boosting on the haircuts looking and styles at all. So that will be makes massive changes with small tricks which we are using on the round layer haircut. That is a secret up to the hidden cut stylings and all. So that's his tricks always carrying forward, which can be retained and long lasting on the layer haircut whichever we do. And after that, the showing the layer in front of the mirror of the client, she was pretty much excited and haven't looked for it. After that, I'm just started to the texturing rest of the all the hair. I'm just cross checking and giving to the texture as well. So the texture, it's majorly it will be carrying forward, it will be remain the layers is longer time, and it's visible very flexible. Even styling also, it will becomes very clean and neat finishing, and also it will be uneven part, it will be merging in the evenly with all the haircut. So that will be make secret up to the sense up to the haircut visible clean and neat finishing. After that, curtain bangs also got finished. So this is complete of the haircut. It's almost the finishing up to the round layer haircut finishing. Hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I brings every time with new concept of the haircuts. And please, if you're really looking for like offline classes, I mentioned in the contact number in the description below. Please contact from there. We'll be meet up to the next concept of different concept of the video. Until, take care and be safe.